127th birth anniversary of Lamyanba Irabot widely observed. Chief Minister and Biren assures befitting action to guilty security personnel for excessive force on students. The 127th birth anniversary of the only people's leader of Manipur, known as Jananeta Lamyanba Irabot, was observed widely in and outside Manipur today. Manipuris across the globe paid respect by offering floral tributes at the statue and portrait of the revolutionary leader. The state-level function organized by the state government was held at Thangmaiban Lilasing Kongnangkong in Imphal West District. Chief Minister N. Biren, Transport Minister Kashim Vashum, MLA Leshio Kaishing, Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, DGP Rajiv Singh, top police and civil officials and BJP leaders attended the solemn function. The other ministers and MLAs did not attend the function as they have flown to Delhi to attend a meeting with youth of Manipur. Offering a floral tribute at the statue of Lamyanba Irabot led by Chief Minister N. Biren marked the observance. Speaking to media persons after the offering of floral tribute, Chief Minister N. Biren stressed the need for people of the state to remain calm and come together by remembering the sacrificial spirit of Lamyanba Irabot to protect the state. Stating that he condemns the atrocities meted out to the students, injuring many during the peace protest in the past few days. Biren said that investigation has already begun and reiterated that actions will be taken against security personnel whosoever is found guilty.
Jananeta ina khangnaraba maraibak ningba adu mayamna sacrifice magi leibak sigi damakta magi jati gi damakta kathokpa ngamkhiba dungba thauba sigum phamna khoi ngasi sadanjali katpa lakpani adubu honorable MLA sing kari kari yamba mapanda thabak chanagibana khoi ngasi ja ina yamba state function sing asi purga khoi honorable minister amane honorable MLA ni humma khoi praja mayam yobirga kalle numisida ina manipur gi praja punamakta hoji oiriba manipur gi phibam sidaida puning phathana phajana amatto ina punsilaga yengnaba singdigi leibak si kandaba yade pukchel tingna samanana bhap tanadaba punamak hamineraga wari saraga bhap tamineraga manipur gi punba saktam adu ekoi punna nusi jana leminabagi phibam sida chetba wasaga mangasi ko numista gi lomina si haibu sa apil tawje angang singda dugumba tawbudu ai uba khanda I am really shocked ai khudakta ai honorable kano minister kharaga ai hospital singda person in person loini yanghale unale adagi koi ahan bagi oina koi paisa khara sing yang ya pire aduga da hospital sing jo hairi ba adugi achang ba kidoba daka lebe sing ko koina loini yangani sarkarna adugi in case kari gumba khidang hanjanna sokpa khoppa leiraga mapan gumba ne koi masat patarga su akoina purga gomena loina tawni haidana ai madugi pawa mai honorable minister tharga hanganjare aduga hujiki du dai leiramiba ka henba singdo madu inquiry tawri athubada ai moi involved orumba singdo yam nungai taba haitare yengbada nungai taba adu ai ndi soina pihan gani masi yam thuna ai pung natraga numit makti tharoi yam thuna hoji development yam lai yam athu matam da mara leba sing sab chana pharaga da nipina na bado akoi hoji nahanagi civil director hoji imphal da leiri nam session tawgiri thank you